Have you cleaned your Epson printer multiple times, but the ink still won't come out on paper? Yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, there's a quick and reliable solution. In this video, I'll walk you through a clear, beginner-friendly method to restore your Epson print quality and get you printing smoothly again. Turn off your printer, and then open it. Your printer model might open a little differently, but the repair method is the same. Place a support or holder so the scanner lid doesn't fall. Now push the print head all the way to the right side of the printer. Next, pull out the waste ink tube from the maintenance box. Prepare a 10 milliliter syringe, larger is even better, and cut both sides of the tip like this. Attach the syringe to the end of a waste ink tube. Then pull and hold the plunger until the ink starts flowing into the syringe. This method removes the ink blockage because the waste ink tube is connected directly to the printhead capping unit. Make sure to keep the plunger pulled and steady so it doesn't move back. Next, you'll need to move the printhead to the center. To do that, turn this front gear counterclockwise a few times. This unlocks the printhead. Then push the printhead to the right first, and only then it can be moved to the center. Now pull the syringe again. This will clean any excess ink sitting in the capping station. All right, that's enough. Remove the syringe and reinstall the waste ink tube properly. Close the printer. And now let's try copying a document in black-only mode. A quick note for you, run the printhead cleaning cycle 1 to 3 times if the print quality hasn't improved yet. And there you go. The print is now perfect and the black ink is back to normal. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next video.